Hello my sparkly crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer with A Trace of Sparkle, and I have a fun box here to open and I wanted to share it with you. This box comes from Lavish Laces. She's on Etsy. Her name is Jaizella, and this is her business card. Okay, I did peek, just, you know, I kind of went like this and I was looking around, but I didn't open it. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh, look at this French lace. You guys, if you haven't seen her French laces, you need to go check them out. They are really beautiful. Oh man, that is so pretty. Okay, we haven't had any sun all day. We're waiting for the hurricane, and yeah, now it wants to show up. Ooh, look at this. A few little appliques. Oh, those are so pretty. Gorgeous. Those are so pretty. Oh, look at that. I love the presentation. These are so cute. Oh, look at those bows. Those are so adorable. Oh, look at this. Yummy. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. I'm gonna have fun playing with this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is French lace or fabric. I don't know, what would you call that? Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. Look at the beautiful cording on that. And the netting is so delicate. Oh man. Thank you, Jaizella, for these gorgeous laces. Oh my goodness. Oh, here we go. Oh, these are so pretty. Put these over here. Oh, that's pretty. Flowers. I love these vintage trims. Oh, that's got a little stretch to it. Oh man, these are lovely. Look at this. Oh my goodness, how delicate and pretty is that? Oh my goodness. Wow, those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. This one is so pretty too. They're all so gorgeous. Oh, I love it. This is exciting. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, this is cute too. So pretty. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is one of my favorite colors. And look at that pink lace, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, I have to look at this. It's so adorable. Oh my goodness. That is really, really cute. Oh my gosh, these are like Handwritten laces. Look at that. They're so delicate and girly, and oh my goodness, I'm gonna have so much fun with these. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's just, they don't make that like that anymore. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh, this is cool looking. I think this is the one that if you pull this, it's supposed to scrunch up. I think that's the way she showed it in the online on her store. I'll have to play with it, but I think what it does is you hold its string and you should be able to scrunch, but I don't want to ruin it if it's not that. Isn't that cute? That is such a cool textured piece right here. Is that lace or trim? Really gorgeous. Okay. Oh, this is cute. It's like, it reminds me of like a little ladder. That would be so cute to go up to a Christmas tree. That's adorable. This color is so pretty. That is a stunning lace right there. Love it. Love that color so much. Okay, let's open these and then we'll open those. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Jaizella, for these gorgeous trims and laces. Look at this. How delicate. Oh my gosh, how do you use these? Because it's gonna be tough. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that one. It's so pretty. Very dainty. I mean, I know I said pretty like 30 times, so sorry about that. This one? Yeah, it goes on that side. That's cute. These are so cute. Okay, here's some crocheted trim. Wow, look at that. Even that is made so good. It's unreal how these vintage laces were made so beautifully. Gosh. Okay, look at this. Now this is really cool. Let's see, can you see? Try not to show you my dried hands. All right. Oh, that's really pretty. It's kind of like a mocha chocolata. Mocha chocolate. Okay. Just ignore me. I'm running on 4 hours of sleep. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I love eyelet. That is so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Oh. I'm trying to show you. There we go. Pretty. Probably should put some over here. Put some of these over here. Okay. Where is it? Oh, there it is. This is so cute. Isn't that pretty? Oh my. Love it. So delicate, these laces, and I am gonna have fun with this. Oh my gosh. I need more of this one. I don't think I got this one last time. Oh my goodness. The photos definitely don't even do it justice, because it is stunning in person. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Yep, said pretty again. Okay, let's pull this out because I'm dying to see what's in here. Okay, this one says antique paper kit. Oh, wow. Look at that writing. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. Oh my, look at this lace. How yummy. Oh, I love the lace. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Is that rag paper? Wow. That is gorgeous. French book page. Oh man. That feels so good. Love that. Okay, let's see what this is. General statement. Even their numbers were written so cool. November 1912. February 1912. General expense sheet. It's the sheet. Oh, that's so cool. Love the numbers. They don't make any paper like that. No, they don't. They just don't make anything the way it was. Okay, let's see. What else do we have here? Oh, is this onion skin? I don't think I have any onion skin. Maybe I do. Very few pieces. I have no idea. It might be typewriting paper, actually. This feels so cool. It has the numbers on it. Oh my goodness. Thank you. These are so fun. Do it. Oh, maybe that's not what it says. That's French. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The font is so cool. These are big sheets. I won't say that again for you guys. Oh, I just gave you a little sneak peek. Oh, this is cool. Month of and the cash paid. Oh, some of these are written on. Okay, so I got some blank ones and some paid cash. Look at the handwriting. It's amazing. September 1913. These are yum, 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 yum. Oh my gosh. How do I use these? And OMG. Holy moly. This is huge. This is the biggest ledger I've ever seen in my life. Oh my goodness. This is 1902. Oh, this is 1889. And then to 1902. Oh my goodness. This is in French. So I'm not sure what that means, but I'm going to look it up. It doesn't mean do it. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Let me open this sucker up. This is ginormous. Wow. Look at the handwriting. I'm sorry, I wasn't showing you guys. I'm just in awe of how amazing this is. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Jaizella. This is so so amazing. Oh my gosh. What am I gonna make? All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, spending a little bit of time with me. Go show Jaizella some love over at Lavish Laces on Etsy. I'll leave all the information below. And I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.